Picture this. You're emailing your resume, school project, or tax documents. You compress them into zip file, but anyone who gets access can open it instantly. The solution? Add the password, so only the right person can see what's inside. And the easiest way to do it in Windows is with a free tool called 7-Zip. 7-Zip is a free, lightweight program you can download at 7zip.org. Select the version for your operating system. I'm going to select default Windows 64-bit download. Once file is downloaded, you can complete the installation. You'll get a couple warnings, but as long as you downloaded the executable from this site, 7zip.org, you should be fine. You can also download 7-Zip from ninite.com, which is designed to automate open source downloads. And now using 7-Zip, with just a few clicks, you can create a password-protected archive that's locked with professional-grade encryption. If you want to add files into archive, you can selecting by hovering them, or using Ctrl or Shift buttons. Then you need to select Show More Options and select 7-Zip, Add to Archive. Here you need to make sure that the zip option is selected. By default, it's 7Z. You also need to make sure you use strong password, which contains upper and lowercase characters, numbers, as well as special characters. Here's an example of my password, which is not truly secure because it uses words instead of random characters. For encryption method, select AES-256 and then click OK. 7-Zip generated zip archive with all the files inside. Without knowing the password, you cannot see the content of the files. If you need to zip the entire folder, you can just right-click on the folder, select Show More Options, and follow the same process. 7-Zip offers more than just basic password protection. With it, you can also split large archives into smaller files for easier sharing and uploading. You can verify file integrity, so you know your data isn't corrupted. You can keep archives cross-platform compatible, so recipients can open them easily. And here's a reminder from me. When using encrypted zip archives, don't forget to share passwords securely via separate channels, for example phone or text. This introduces extra layer of protection. All these cool features give you extra flexibility, reliability, and stronger security than just using zip on Windows alone. If the content was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video.